This pretty girl is Tamar. Her story begins many years ago when her dad and mom get married. She was born on February 17, 1996 in the Distrito Federal. With only 4 months of age, she met the seed. It was a beautiful moment for her parents. Although she is the only girl, she has a good relationship with her brothers. 3 years later, she moved to Coacalco in the state of Mexico and began her first year of kindergarten. After 3 wonderful years of high school, she began studying at preparatory in 1999 and was there when she met 3 crazy girls, Reina, Andrea, and Mitzi, and also fell in love with a cute boy called Marco and makes her very happy. While she was in the 3rd year of preparatory, Sofia, her small niece, was born, and since then, she has seen how her niece continued to grow. When she was 18 years old, she decided that she wanted to study marketing. Until today, is one of the best decisions of her life. Every day, she feels more attracted for the marketing world. She was looking for a good university when received the great chance to get a scholarship at the Tec de Monterrey. She struggled much, but now she had a place, and although it's a daily challenge, she feels very happy because it's a very big opportunity. Today, Tamar feels very motivated every day because she is so close to many people who love her and support her. She likes too much the optimism. She believes that it's the best way to live and achieve their goals.
Created using Powtoon.